Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore index to active strategy comparison using Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. To restore the index to active strategy comparison using Fidelity, start by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the home page and find the Accounts and Trades section. Click on Research in the top menu. Select Market Research from the drop-down options. Locate the Performance tab on the left side of the screen. Under Performance, choose Mutual Funds and ETFs. Now, click on Compare to access the comparison tool. You'll see a search bar. Enter the index fund you want to compare. Select the appropriate index fund from the list that appears. Next, repeat the search process for the active fund you wish to include in the comparison. After selecting both funds, click on Compare Selected to generate the analysis. Review the performance metrics displayed, including returns, risk, and expenses. Use the tabs provided to explore different aspects of the comparison, such as performance history and risk analysis. If you want to save the comparison, look for the Save or Share option, typically located on the top right of the screen. To analyze further, consider using the filter options available to refine your search based on specific criteria. You'll have the flexibility to view graphical representations of the data, making it easier to understand the differences. Once you finish your analysis, log out of your account to ensure your information remains secure. Now you've successfully restored the index to active strategy comparison using Fidelity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.